Hello and welcome to today's edition of the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog. As you can see, I've got a bit of air coming out of my mouth. You can see it. It's a bit cold, but it's not that cold. Not compared to the rest of the country where they've had frost. Thankfully, we've got no frost here today, so hopefully I should be getting on with some digging. So yeah, I'm looking forward to today and getting plenty done. Keep tuned. So let's see what we're going to be doing today. Job is going to be starting to clear all this middle section and getting it ready for building a new P-frame. I'm not going to be using this orange like netting what councils use for marking off stuff. I'm going to be using proper chicken wire, so it's a bit more stronger. It was alright, it did its job, but I want something more permanent. So yeah, that's my job for today. A busy morning down on the allotment. Got my job done for today, which was to clear this main bit down the middle. This is where I'll grow all my peas down the centre. Now that I've got that done, I can work on getting all my paths back in between my beds. Got to get these paths back in between these 8 beds, and then I'll be moving on to my strawberry patch down the left hand side, get all them ready. So yeah, cracking on day by day, getting a bit further every day. Eventually it'll all be cleared, eventually that is, until the weeds start growing back again. But yeah, trying to get on top of it now, ready for the planting time. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Like I said, my next job is getting my paths ready, which results in pulling all my black membrane up. I'm going to dig all underneath it, level it out again, and relay my black membrane ready for this year. I do that once a year. Once it's down for a year, it should be alright. Easier to keep under control. It just gets out of hand towards the end of the year really. But yeah, that's my next job, and then I'm looking forward to getting my strawberries all cut down and tidied up and repotted and replanted into the various spots through the black membrane, ready for them to start growing, to start getting bearing fruit. And you can't beat strawberries. One of the best things that you can grow, and I would recommend that definitely. That's if you like strawberries, but I'm sure all your family do. A massive thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you come back and keep watching my videos and seeing my progress through this year down on the allotment. I also want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far. I've got over 100 now. I reached the 100 mark at the weekend, so please hit the subscribe button. Let's see if I can get up to 200. I was very surprised at 100, but yeah, I hope you subscribe to the channel and get the notifications when new videos are posted. I'm also on Facebook. I've got a Facebook page. It's called The Yorkshire Gardener. Please like it on there. I post questions, just other photos of what I've been doing, so you can keep up to date via that as well. So yeah, find me on Facebook, The Yorkshire Gardener. And also I'm on Instagram. Feel free to find me on there, called The Yorkshire Gardeners. They couldn't have The Yorkshire Gardener, it must have already been taken, so The Yorkshire Gardeners. Yeah, and I post photos on there as well, so feel free to find me and like it on there. Thank you for watching this week's video.